Hey, I'm Sarah. I noticed just sent this cordless mattress sofa vacuum. I love that it is cordless because you can easily take it with you and you don't have to find an outlet. You don't have to work around the cord. And it's pretty lightweight. It's got a nice handle right here. You've got your charging cord, which it does come with right here in the back. And then it does have little UV lights to help sanitize everything as well. You've got your roller blades right there to be able to pick everything up. And then on the top here, you have your little bin. Now to access that, you just press the button. It pops right out. So you just pull it off right here, lift it up, and then access everything from the inside. So whenever you're ready to clean that out. And then you do have your little filter right here that can also come out and get cleaned up. So that's nice. It's got all that filtration system through there. And that way it will clean everything up nicely. Now I'm going to get this on the sofa and show you just what this thing can do. So that just clicks right back into place whenever you're ready to go. And then you turn it on, you just press and hold on the power button. It clicks on. You can see the UV light right down here. And then this is already going. Now you do have two settings of power. You just have your regular speed or you have the higher speed. And this has a 16,000 kPa. So that will suck up a lot of different dirt. I mean, you can see it making the little lines in the sofa already. And it's using that UV light to get any sort of bacteria or anything like that sucked up as well. So that is really nice. It does have a 35-minute runtime. So you can use this thing on a low speed at 35 minutes. Now, of course, using it at the higher speed that I have, you're gonna have a little less time, but this is great to not have to worry about anything. Getting all the pet hairs cleaned off my couch and any sort of germs from us just sitting there. Working nice and smooth. Turn it off, get it cleaned up. This thing has some dirt in there just from that little bit of time that we used it. It's a nice little vacuum to use for all sorts of surfaces.